Two trusted names in tax software, but only one can make filing in 2025 truly painless. Which one really delivers? On the left, H&R Block, expert-backed filing with in-person support. And on the right, TaxAct, the budget-friendly DIY tax tool for savvy filers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, quick heads up before we dive deep. Here's the game plan. We're comparing these two on pricing, support and guidance, audit protection, mobile app experience, business and self-employment features, ease of use, guarantees and accuracy, and form coverage. Basically, everything that actually matters for real tax filers. Take a second, lock in those categories in your mind, because that's how we're finding our winner. First up, pricing. Okay, starting with H&R Block. They do offer a free version if your tax return is super basic, and honestly, it's great for students or anyone with just a W-2. If you've got stuff like student loan deductions, it's a pretty good deal too. But the moment you need anything fancy, like say you've got investments or side hustles, those costs can creep up. State filing fees alone hit $30 per state. Ouch, right? Now, TaxAct. This one's kind of the budget king. Their plans are just overall cheaper. You get lower fees, especially if you're filing in more than one state, and it's totally designed for the budget-conscious crowd who just want their taxes done without paying extra. Sure, you might miss a few premium features, but if cost is your main thing, TaxAct pretty much wins here, hands down. Next category, support and guidance. H&R Block is honestly legendary when it comes to helping people, not just online, but actually in person. If you get stuck, you can legit walk into one of their local offices and ask for help, face to face. That alone is wild in today's digital world. Their software sort of walks you through deductions like they're holding your hand. And if you have industry-specific questions, they've got answers for that too. TaxAct, on the other hand, definitely solid, with their Expert Assist feature for phone support and pretty responsive online chat. But here's the hitch. No physical offices. So if you're someone who wants that extra reassurance or just needs a human to explain stuff, TaxAct can feel a bit DIY. So support and guidance? I'd say H&R Block wins, no contest. Moving over to audit protection. H&R Block makes it way less scary if the IRS comes knocking at your door. You can book an in-person consult right at their office, especially if you buy a higher tier plan. If audits make your palms sweat, knowing someone can literally walk you through it in person, yeah, huge. But sometimes you'll need to pay a bit extra for the basic audit coverage. TaxAct offers something too. They'll give you basic audit help with every plan and an add-on for full defense if you want, but it's all virtual. No one's showing up with you at the IRS office. So, for actual peace of mind, H&R Block just feels stronger. Winner here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. H&R Block's been helping people file their taxes since literally 1955, so you know they've seen it all. TaxAct, total laser focus on affordable DIY tax filing, so they're all about making your return quick and wallet-friendly. Just a little background before we wrap up. All right, so let's talk mobile apps. H&R Block is surprisingly slick. You can do like your whole tax return on your phone, and the app feels super playable, if that makes sense. The interface is super friendly, not intimidating at all. TaxAct does have an app, yep, but honestly, it's kind of basic. If you've got something complicated, you'll probably want to switch to desktop. So, if you're the kind of person who does literally everything on your phone, H&R Block is the clear best here. Okay, so what if you're a small business owner or self-employed? H&R Block kind of goes all out. They have tools for asset depreciation, year-round support, and help you squeeze out every deduction possible. Even if the price is a bit higher for the best features, you're getting the whole toolbox. TaxAct is fine for freelancers. There are some deduction calculators, resources for year-round planning, and stuff like depreciation. It's solid for gig workers, but honestly a bit less robust than H&R Block if you need the fancy stuff. So, business and self-employment? H&R Block is where you want to be. On to ease of use. H&R Block walks you through step by step, explains stuff as you go, and just feels easy to navigate. Almost like it's designed for people who hate taxes. TaxAct is super simple too, don't get me wrong. It's no frills, straightforward, and really DIY. Some folks say it feels a bit clunkier. kind of old school, and not quite as smooth as H&R Block. If you like guided help and clean design, you'll probably lean more towards H&R Block here. Next, guarantees and accuracy. H&R Block definitely wants you to feel secure. There's a satisfaction guarantee, and they back their software with quality assurance. But TaxAct is kind of a beast here. They have this massive, up to $100,000 refund guarantee if their software misses something and you lose out on savings. Like, they're really taking accuracy seriously. So yeah, in terms of going beyond just standard guarantees, gotta hand it to TaxAct for this one. Last up, form coverage. Who can actually handle your weird tax situation? H&R Block covers pretty much all the big forms. Your HSA, rental properties, stocks, investments, all that. The guidance is pretty detailed if you get fancy. TaxAct's right up there too, honestly. Covers all the standard forms, even self-employed and basic business setups. There's a bonus too. They can handle crypto income, which is awesome if you're dabbling in that. Both solid, so this one's a tie. Let's visualize all of that to get a feel for the strengths and quirks side by side. Pricing, support, audit help, mobile, business tools, you name it. You'll see H&R Block generally on top for support, guidance, and just ease of use. TaxAct's big wins are on pricing and those ambitious guarantees. Pretty clear spread. So, bottom line, here's my take. If you want someone to hold your hand, maybe even sit down with you when the IRS comes calling, and have all the tricky self-employment stuff sorted, you'll probably dig H&R Block. If you're thrifty, love doing things yourself, just want to get it done, and big refund guarantees speak to you, TaxAct's got your back. Pick what fits your vibe best. If you found this comparison helpful, go ahead and share it so other folks don't end up picking the wrong tax software. Everyone deserves a smart filing season.